Hi everyone, it's Dominika Stoppa here with Creativity for Wellbeing, and this is page number 10 of our mini art journal. So the idea is that we are creating a tiny little page every day just to help us get into the flow and create a bit more. It doesn't need to be big. And this page today, again, I'm using my pen and the method inspired by Neurographic art. So just drawing simple lines and then making it thinner and thicker in some places, and it's just easy and fun. And I like to use the keyword grateful for today. So you can use keywords to describe how you want to feel or how you felt today. It's totally up to you. You can include some sayings or quotes, anything that inspires you. And on top of that, I'm using watercolor paint, so adding a bit of red to the edges. There's no logic in it. I'm just following my intuition and following my hand with creating this page. And a few dots. Looks a little bit like blood, but sure, it's lovely. So thanks again for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribing yet, and hit that bell button.